Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to build this automated cactus farm in Minecraft. So my tick speed is sped up just for demonstration, but this is basically how it works. You can see I just have the ground full up with hoppers going into the chests. You don't have to do that, but it makes it a lot more efficient. Just make sure they're all going straight towards the chest. But what you want to do is you want to break out. I'm going to build a slightly smaller one than that. I'm just going to build a very small farm. So basically you just want to break out an area of the ground like this. And then you want to go around and place sand on every second block of this area. And then once you have that done, you can start on filling this up with hoppers if that's what you're going doing. But you don't have to, like if this is in survival, I know how expensive hoppers are, so like you don't have to do this. This is just to make it more efficient, so you don't have to go in every so often and collect whatever wasn't collected by the hoppers. So what you're gonna do down here is just kind of break out an area just kind of like that, and just place some hoppers way down along here. Just do a big trail of them coming the entire way around, and then you can go around here and fill in these areas. Again, like I said, you don't have to use the hoppers, and if you don't want to, you can just skip ahead in the video to where I'm finishing off the rest of it. But like, it's, other than the hoppers, it's other than getting the hoppers, it's a very cheap farm to build because it involves basically no redstone. Well, literally no redstone if you don't want to consider, if you're not using the hoppers, but if you are, it does take a small bit of redstone because the hoppers are a redstone block. And then what you want to do is just kind of fill up in between all of them like this with iron bars. Now as you can see here, I missed out on the spot with the hopper. And then what you want to do is just fill the entire area all along these walls with water. And what this will do is make all of it flow down along here towards where your chests are going to be. So what you want to do is make a double chest there and a double chest there, and then you just want to place a slab there to make it easier to get in and out of, and then you can just surround it in glass like this. Fairly simple. And then just keep surrounding it in glass. But obviously you can make this as big as you want. Let's say you need a lot of cactus for whatever reason. And then yeah, once you have that filled in, your farm is finished. Now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. But before you click off, make sure you like, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and share this video with your friends if they like Minecraft videos, and or if they're like redstone tutorials and just gaming in general, because that's what I'll be doing in the future. I'll probably be doing more redstone tutorials for now, but I will probably do a playthrough of Minecraft as well fairly soon. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.